go behind the barn door to see what this nanny goat has to say.
Here are the mothers with their babies. How cute is this mom with her two babies? You are such a good mommy, huh? And then there's your sister. And she has a nice, big, should we say singing voice? Should we say that, boys and girls? A singing voice? Your babies are going to grow up to be like her because they're watching how she has. Oh my. There's the noise maker. She's just with her baby. Hey. You can be so loud? I guess so. You want them to know you're hungry, huh? You want them to know you're hungry and come right now. Hey Billy! Hey Billy, do you ever go back? Huh? Huh? Do you ever go back? You're gonna rub against the fence, huh? And then walk around. I think you're hungry, huh? You're the food bell for everybody. Or the food horn. He doesn't like that empty bin there. No food in it. See it there? No food in there. I don't think they're going to come any faster with you bawling like that. You know that? Oh my gosh. Because they're busy. They're trying to feed the other farm animals. You're such a cutie. You know that, don't you? You're a nice looking goat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.